Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you.
In APC, things fall apart. Confusion reigns as courts give conflicting orders. Confusion has hit members of the All Progressive Congress (APC) over different orders from different courts in respect of the proposed meeting of the National Executive Council (NEC) of the party slated for March the 17th. On Wednesday, Justice Samira Baturi of Federal High Court Territory High Court, Maitama restricted the National Secretary of the All Progressive Congress (APC), Waziri Balama, the party legal advisor Babatunde Ogala, and Publicity Secretary Larry Isia Olini from distributing and proposing meeting. But another court in Lagos, precisely the Federal High Court, on the same day granted an interim injunction restricting APC for giving efforts effect to notice of meeting issued by one Victor Gadon, who reportedly conv- communicated an emergency meeting of NEC. Again, Justice Muhammad Lima of the Federal High Court Lagos ordered that the meeting of the NEC of the party, scheduled for next week Tuesday, must not go on without attendance of a former Oyo State Governor Abiola Ajimobi, Waziri Balaman, and Paul Chukwuemeka as such meeting. The court made the order in a ruling which restrained the APC and its officers from distributing, preventing, or obstructing Waziri Baloma, Senator Abiola Ajimobi, and Paul Chukwuemeka from carrying out their duties as acting national secretary, acting national deputy chairman South, and acting national auditor of the APC, respectively. Justice Lima made the order sequential to an ex patent application filed by the Lagos State chairman of the APC, Tunde Balogun, which was argued by his lawyer, Gani Bello. Balogun, who is chairman of Lagos State chapter of APC, in the application prayed the court to compel the APC to recognize Baloma as the party acting national secretary, Ajimobi as the acting national deputy chairman South, and Chukwuemeka as the acting national auditor of the party. He told the court that became after the three offices became vacant and were zoned to different geographical zones, Baloma was nominated by the Northeast, Ajimobi by the Southwest, and Chukwuemeka by the Southeast. The perpetrator said the nomination of Baloma was referred at the meeting of the APC National Working Committee held on January the 14th, 2020, while those of Ajimobi and Chukwuemeka was referred at the NWC meeting of March the 4th, 2020. By virtue of the referendum and nomination stated above, the nominees have become members of the National Executive Committee and are entitled to the constitution of the defendant APC to work and operate in the acting capacities in their respective offices, pending their swearing in as the National Convention of the party. In spite of the foregoing, the defendant APC acting through its officers and offices, and particularly the Deputy National Secretary, has not allowed the nominees to perform their duties as members of the National Executive Council, Balogun said. He told the court that the APC National Executive Council could not effectively function unless Baloma, Ajimobi, and Chukwuwama are allowed to perform their duties. He therefore urged the court to compel the APC to recognize the trail. After listening to the applicant's lawyer, Justice Lima granted the prayers and an adjournment till March the 25th, 2020, to entertain the complaint motion on notice. Meanwhile, the Federal High Court, Ekiti State, had begun hearing of the suit filed by a chieftain of the APC in the state, Mr. Michael Akinyele, against Senator Ajimobi over his appointment as Deputy National Chairman South by the National Working Committee (NWC). Akinyele in the suit is contending the proposition of the action taken by the APC National Working Committee appointment of Ajimobi via alleged imposition of the position. Respondents in the suit are APC National Chairman Comrade Adams Oshomole, first respondent, National Working Committee, second, National Vice Chairman South, third, APC Southwest Zonal Caucus, fourth, Ekiti State Chairman of APC, fifth, Ekiti State Caucus of APC. Meanwhile, Akinyele in the suit is contesting the proposition of the action taken by the APC National Working Committee appointment of Ajimobi via alleged imposition. Respondents in the suit are APC National Chairman Adams Oshomole, first respondent, National Working Committee, second, National Vice Chairman Southwest, third, APC Southwest Zonal Caucus, fourth, Ekiti State Chairman of APC, fifth, Ekiti State Caucus of APC, sixth, All Progressive Congress, seventh, and Senator Abiola Ajimobi, eighth. The seat became vacant following the appointment of Otumba Niyi Adebayo as the Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment, which brought the feeling by Ekiti APC that Senator Gbenga Aloko should be allowed to fill the vacancy in respect of the party micro-zonal zoning rather than moving it to Oyo State. During the processing, Oshomole, Ajimobi, and other respondents with the expectation of fifth and sixth were absent in the court, but they were represented by their lawyers, Chief Tony Adeniyi. In the ordeal summon filed by his lawyer Taiwo Omodunyi, the applicant sought an interrogatory order stopping the party from either announcing or appointing Ajimobi pending determination of the court. He urged the court to restrain the eight respondent Ajimobi from parading himself as the deputy national chairman. Akinyele urged the court to determine, among other things, whether his right had been breached as an aspirant looking up to be elected as deputy national chairman before Ajimobi was suddenly imposed on them. But in a bilateral objection filed by Adeniyi, who is representing the all respondents with the exemption of fifth and sixth, contended that the court lacks the jurisdiction to hear the matter and that the suit is dismissed on the premises. The hearing of the preliminary objection could not be urged because the lawyers to the applicant said he has not been properly served to be able to respond appropriately. The counsel to the respondent didn't object to the adjustment sorted by the counsel to the applicant. The presiding judge, Justice UN Agoma, in her brief ruling, adjourned the case to March the 23rd for hearing by the pending applicant. APC, now wow, things fall apart, oh, my people. Tell me what you think, oh, now wow. The APC matter entire me. I don't know what to talk. I will be I weak. So my people, please leave me a comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get all our latest news. Thanks for listening. God bless. Bye.